Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tofu in an air fryer. First, press your tofu for at least 30 minutes to remove excess water, which is crucial for achieving a crispy texture. Then, cut the pressed tofu into 1-inch cubes. This uniform size ensures that each piece cooks evenly and becomes perfectly golden brown. Next, let's get that tofu perfectly seasoned. In a bowl, toss your tofu cubes with about 1 tablespoon of oil. This helps prevent sticking. Then, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which is the secret to an extra crispy exterior. Finally, season generously with your favorite spices, like garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of paprika for delicious flavor. Now, it's time to air fry. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a few minutes. Carefully arrange the seasoned tofu in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through the cooking time. This ensures all sides get beautifully golden and crispy. Your perfectly crispy air-fried tofu is ready. For the best texture, serve it immediately while it's still warm and crunchy. This versatile dish can be enjoyed in so many ways. Try adding it to your favorite stir-fries, topping a fresh salad, or simply serving it as a delicious main course. A garnish of fresh herbs or a drizzle of your favorite sauce adds a wonderful finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.